Our beef patties today, we start with boiling 1 pound of Brussels potatoes. While that is boiling, we can start seasoning our beef. We add 1 tablespoon of salt, thyme, paprika, garlic powder, and finally some Worcestershire sauce. And once everything is in, we can mix it well until the seasoning is well coating the beef. Then we can set that aside to marinate. Now potato is ready. We add 1 tablespoon of butter to add some flavor to this. And we mix it in until the butter is all melted. And we grate some Parmesan cheese over the top. And we mix that in also before we add our beef. Now we can add our beef. This beef is raw, it's not cooked yet, because we want to keep all that juice in this patty. So once it's all well mixed, we can add some more Parmesan cheese over the top. This will act as a binding agent as well as flavor to this whole patty. And we mix this to a smooth consistency. Then we get some fresh parsley and chop it finely and add it over the mixture. This parsley will add so much aroma to this. And mix it in well and let this mixture cool to touch. Then we can begin forming our patties. We grab about 8 ounces of mixture into our hand and form it into a ball, pat it flat like a patty. Then we can dip it in our cornstarch. So our cornstarch will act as a coating to add the crisp and lock in the juice from this patty. It also prevents it from sticking to our plate and anything else that it comes into contact with. So once that's done, we can start forming the rest just the same way. 8 ounce patty, pat flat into our cornstarch. Then we shake off the loose powder. Then we can do the rest. We can take it to fry. Now we got a skillet with some oil heated. Then we can drop the patties in and allow it to sit 5 minutes on each side. Now develop a nice golden brown on both sides, and we continue to flip it 2 more times at about 3-minute intervals. Now once that's done, we can remove it and put it into a tray. We can bake this for another 10 minutes in our oven at 200 degrees Celsius. Now once that's done, look how beautiful this is. We can serve it with a side of guacamole. Welcome back. Our beef cakes are done. This is so beautiful, so simple to make, all in one. Our meat, our carbs, and we'll dip it in our Dijon mustard. I have a side of avocado. Avocado is great. Now let's cut into this and see how great this is. Okay, still moist on the inside. So this is perfect. So much flavor. Let's try some Dijon mustard with this. Perfect. Excellent. Great for breakfast. Light snack. Anything you like. Thanks for watching again. Remember to subscribe if you haven't yet. And if you have, make sure you comment below and let us know how yours turned out. Okay, until next time, bye now. If you're a fan of beef or avocado, make sure you check our other videos that I've done in the past. A sous vide steak and our guacamole chunky.